Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and for this video, obviously I am coming to you from my bed because I wanted to talk about my new Helix mattress. So about a month ago, I got a Helix mattress sent to me for free. I do like to give a disclaimer when something's sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. And I had needed a new mattress badly. My previous mattress was super indented. It was uncomfortable. It was just way too worn out. So I was very excited to upgrade to the Helix mattress. And so my experience really has been great. And it started off by taking a quiz. I don't know much about mattresses at all. I think it's very hard to decide what kind of mattress. So you just fill out a quiz that is based off of how you sleep and how your partner sleeps if you have one. And it talks about, pains, like do you get back pain, which my partner does? Do you get hot as you sleep? And that's something that happens to me. So I got matched with the Midnight Luxe mattress with the GlacioTex, which is going to help with the overheating at night. It helps keep your mattress cool. And so, like I said, I've had this mattress for a month and I have been able to really come up with my opinion on it. So as you can see, when it arrives, it comes in a pretty conveniently sized box. However, it is so heavy. It was absolutely impossible for me to move that off of my front porch on my own, but it comes so conveniently packed up that you can fit it through doorways, you can get it where you need it to go, but you just have to be very strong or have a lot of help to move it. But then when you unbox it, it immediately expands. I was thinking it was going to take a long time for my mattress to get to the size that it's supposed to be, but it actually immediately expanded. And it also came with pillows, which immediately expanded as well. And there's some nice squishy pillows. When I was first laying on the mattress, it felt very firm. It felt like it was very, compared to my previous mattress, very just straight and even, and it didn't have much give. I wasn't sinking in much, but now that I've had it for a month, it definitely squishes down. It has some give, but it bounces right back up. And at first I felt like it wasn't squishy enough for my preference, but now I am so used to it. I feel like it's just as squishy and gets just as indented enough for my preference. And I have not been overheating at night. I don't wake up with any back pains. My husband really is a big fan of it. My dogs are a big fan of this new mattress. So I feel like there is a lot of hype around the Helix mattresses, but I just feel like it is so worth it. I am so glad I finally have a good mattress that is comfortable and supportive and is going to be able to last me a long time. My previous mattress barely lasted me 3 years, and I'm so excited to be able to have this fantastic mattress to last me for years to come. So I would say after a month of using the Helix mattress, I do recommend it, and I'll have it linked for this video as well if you want to check it out. I highly recommend taking the quiz too if you are not familiar with mattresses. That way you can get an idea of what mattress will suit you best. So just my quick review on the Helix mattress. If you have any questions or if you've tried it out yourself, just leave a comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.